We woke up in a hotel in Tallahassee. Mark's already about to head out because he's trying to get to his place. I'll get there eventually. Yep, we're in beautiful Florida. Pouring down rain. All right, we're getting on the road. Next stop, Orlando, Florida. It's raining hard. All right, so I've driven about 2 hours, stopping to get gas in Gainesville. We only got 2 more hours to drive. I don't even know where Mark is. He stopped a while back ago. It was too hard to get into the exit, so I was like, I'll just keep on going, we'll meet up. I also saw a Dunkin Donuts across the street. I shouldn't, but I'm gonna. All right, we're gonna do the Dunkin Donuts singing drive-thru prank. Let's see it. I would like 2 glazed donuts, please, with a sausage, egg, and cheese sandwich. And a small coffee, too. Thank you, Dunkin Donuts Drive-Thru.
You want cream and sugar in that?
Yes, please. Cream and sugar.
Okay, anything else?
That'll be it.
I got you at 8:30.
All right, thank you very much. How are you?
Good.
Thank you. Thank you. You have a good one. Let's get on the road.